Just a little thwack. Hello. You're gonna survive. No problem. Well, it didn't get it. A hawk just swooped down to catch the bird. And Sidley is over here. We were worried about her.
The hawk's still up there.
Oh, look. There it is. You gonna come back for it? Huh. Hey, we'll take care of you, okay? The hunters and the hunted. We saved you from that hawk. We're gonna feed you a little water, okay? We also saved you from that huntress back there. Water helps. There you go. Yeah. I can feel its heartbeat slowing down. We're gonna leave you there. You're gonna be just fine. You are gonna be just fine.